Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the latest and greatest in home entertainment technology. Today, we're unpacking the LG G4 OLED TV, touted as a pinnacle in OLED display technology. The LG G4 OLED is more than just a TV. It's a statement piece for any living room setup. Boasting a sleek design with a slightly thicker profile, it stands out with a sparkling silver band around the edges, adding an elegant touch without compromising on stability. Measuring at 56.7 inches wide and weighing 52.5 pounds, this TV commands attention. Whether you opt for the included stand or mount it on your wall using LG's proprietary system, setup is a breeze. Offering flexibility and positioning, the centerpiece of the LG G4 is its stunning OLED display. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and support for HDR10, Dolby Vision, and HLG, every scene comes to life with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Thanks to its Alpha 11 AI processor 4K and micro lens array, brightness is maximized to enhance both SDR and HDR content. In our testing, the LG G4 excelled with outstanding color accuracy, boasting a Delta E score of 1.4041 in SDR content. It delivers impressive brightness at 358 nits, ensuring every detail pops, whether you're watching movies or gaming. Gamers will appreciate the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, offering support for 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode. This means smoother gameplay and reduced input lag, making it a top choice for console enthusiasts. Navigating the LG G4 is a breeze with WebOS24. It's intuitive, responsive, and supports up to 10 user profiles, making it easy to personalize your viewing experience. Whether you're streaming content or adjusting settings, everything is just a click away. While the LG G4 excels in picture quality, the audio output is decent but not exceptional. It's equipped with a 60W audio system, providing clear sound. But for a truly immersive experience, consider pairing it with a soundbar or external speakers. In conclusion, the LG G4 OLED TV sets a high bar for what's possible with OLED technology. From its stunning display to its robust gaming features and user-friendly interface, it's designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. If you're looking for a TV that combines style, performance, and innovation, the LG G4 OLED is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the LG G4 OLED TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.